for more videos. And thanks for watching this video. I am gonna stop this voice typing. So viewers, you have looked at, I have typed some words simply, and then after typing you can copy, paste to the original MS Word, and here we can look at many other options. You can insert images, tabs, charts, equations, page numbers. It's a MS Word type. You can edit, undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. Okay, and then file, share, new, download, Microsoft, publish to the web, and the different options are here. The main thing, the important thing for making this video, that you can type with the using the voice typing, and it will save your time. And thanks for watching this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks to all.